Argan oil is a real body healer. Argan oil is extracted from the seeds of the berry fruit of the Moroccan argan tree by a gentle cold pressing process. Even the indigenous people of Morocco appreciated the active ingredients of the high-quality argan oil. As a precious gourmet cooking oil, it already has a firm place in every sophisticated kitchen. Characteristics and active ingredients. The unique combination of antioxidants and essential fatty acids is responsible for our organism's protection. Argan oil is a wonderful remedy for both internal and external use due to fatty acids such as linoleic acid, which has an anti-inflammatory effect and moisturizes skin and hair. It contains a high amount of vitamin E, which protects our cells from harmful influences. The healing effect. Cures aortic stenosis and diabetes. Boosts the immune system and has antibacterial properties. Hair is strengthened and moisturized. Halts hair loss. Lowers triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Protects the body's cells and slows the aging process. Removes wrinkles and smooths the skin. Prevents the appearance of stretch marks during pregnancy. Provides natural skin protection and shields against UV rays. Improves bile, heart, and liver health. Cancer-causing substances are neutralized. Combats viruses and is even thought to be HIV positive. Aids in the treatment of psoriasis, chickenpox, acne, dry eczema, and rashes. Alleviates arthritic and rheumatic symptoms. Adverse effects except for one, which is actually none. There are no known side effects of argan oil. When using the rich vegetable oil for skin problems such as acne, there may be an initial aggravation, which manifests as redness, for example. This side effect, however, is related to the skin's regeneration process and should go away after a few days. Dosage for internal use. A dosage of 3 tablespoons per day is recommended. For external use, one should prepare a cream, example. Mix 5 tablespoons green mineral clay with 2 tablespoons argan oil, or mix the oil into an already existing, natural, cream. In this case, 1 tablespoon per jar is sufficient. Apply this cream and let it work for 15 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. Quality. What should you look for when buying? First of all, there are 2 variants of argan oil to buy. Oil from roasted argan kernels and from unroasted argan kernels. Here the difference lies only in the taste. The oil with roasted argan kernels has a much more intense nutty taste. The medicinal effect is the same for both. If you want to use the oil mainly for internal use and integrate it into your dishes, the roasted oil would probably be more suitable because of the taste. For cosmetic purposes, probably rather the milder. However, this is up to everyone. Quality. The argan oil should be 100% natural, cold-pressed and free of colorants and preservatives. Caution. Some manufacturers tend to pan the oil by adding other oils. This is quite lucrative due to the high price, so look for trustworthy manufacturers rather than cheap prices. In the description, we linked argan oil we love. We hope you will give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. We look forward to see you in the next video.